In this video, we're looking at dydx, which is one of the top crypto exchanges, completely decentralized. You don't need to do KYC in order to start trading, as everything is on chain, super easy to use, and there are great incentives that were introduced some time ago, plus great collabs just announced. So first of all, dydx started collaborating with Kaito. So if you haven't heard about Kaito, this is an InfoFi product or tweet to earn, where actually the best tweeters each month will get prizes for particular protocols. They collaborate with different protocols, and this time they collaborated with dydx. So if you log in and just start tweeting about dydx, you can get the rewards. I think the top 20, the top 50 yappers each month will get something, so it's already very cool. And that's not everything, because on top of that you will going to get rewards just for trading. So we're going to have a look at dydx itself. If you go to dydx.xyz or just use my referral link down below for additional bonuses, discounts on trading when you start using that, you're going to see everything. This is the website, low fees, pro tooling, great liquidity, many different pairs that you can use, and also there are different vaults. The mega vault if you want to start using, trading for teams if you want to be more advanced side, different rewards if you invite friends. So that's already great. If you jump in, you're going to see a very clean looking UI. You'll have to generate your wallet address and just deposit from Arbitrum directly to the wallet. And then you will have a bunch of options. If you so for depositing, you will have like USDC on a bunch of chains that you can use, as well as Ethereum. So that's already cool. And then you're going to be able to trade some of the markets, starting with BTC, of course, but also having ETH and up to 50x leverage on those, which is amazing. On top of that, you'll have a couple of other coins that are super popular, like Sol, Doge, XRP, LTC, Cardano, AVAX, but plenty of those. You can sort through layer 1, layers 2, RWAs, gaming, Forex. That's a very recent one. They added Euro USD pairs, so if you want to trade some of the currencies, you can do that as well. And also you can go, for example, for like AI and big data. They have a bunch of meme coins as well that are listed here, which is pretty cool, because some of them are pretty small ones with the smaller market cap. So you can also go through those as well if you want to. Things like Comma, Maneki, Jelly, super small ones that might be very interesting. They have, for example, Michi here, which is pretty cool. And many other things. Also, what I've mentioned is that they have mega vaults where you can just put in the USDC and start earning APR, basically coming from the fees from the dydx, from the exchange, which is pretty cool. If you go to the markets, you can see what's trending, what's recently listed, biggest movers recently. I think that's pretty cool, and you can see what people are doing on chain. So I think this is really great. Also, I'm going to show you what Grok is telling about what's the recent changes. Of course, Kaito collaboration, the one I've mentioned, ongoing trading rewards program. So they're giving up to 90% of net trading fees in dydx. So they try to incentivize all the traders. That's pretty big. The season 5 is ongoing. There were a couple of competitions like Sol USD competition, which is still ongoing for a couple of days, SU USD competition, and they have those kind of competitions for particular pairs that you can use. So I think this is really great. They have the buyback program because dydx is a token by itself, so you can buy on the market. The current market cap is around $400 million, which is pretty, I think, pretty on the lower side, especially if you compare with Hyperliquid. So I think there's a room to grow. Of course, nothing here is financial advice. Crypto is risky. You can lose all your capital. So do your own research before jumping in. So since last year, they did a lot of different improvements, from spot trading, adding those different Forex kind of pairs, multi-asset margining, EVM support, mobile app came, call trading improvements as well. So you have each one, every trader has its own key. That's really great. The introduction of Mega Vault, this is really great. So this is looking really great, and they have even more plans going forward. So it's going to be really cool to trade more and more on dydx because it's so heavily incentivized. So if you're a trader yourself already, or if you just want to start, this is a great point to start. And they have even more plans going forward into the future, which I recommend checking out. So yeah, dydx, you have my link down below in the description if you want to check everything. Have a look. It's really looking great here. Really recommend taking a look. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.